Today I'm going to show you guys how to use any paid software for free. Sometimes we have to use a paid software for something and for some reason, but at the same time, we don't want to pay for it. All you need is to go on alternative to .net website from your web browser and search the software you need on the top of the web page. After that, click Show Alternatives button and simply pick an alternative, which is usually open source software, that can do the same thing for free. You can also read some reviews about it or see ratings of other people who use it on the page. Remember that these are usually programs with some limited features or some limitations, but they are still sufficient to complete what you need. That's it for now. We will meet in another video with another interesting trick. For this type of amazing contents, subscribe to my channel and do share with your friends.